movable pulley arrangement. Single movable pulley arrangement. Here what? The arrangement I am drawing. See, when I am drawing, please give your attention towards the. I'll tell you the points which are most important in this part. This is the string. Here is the pulley. Let me take it. Where with a supporter the load is hanged. Today the board is clear. This is the single, actually the single fixed pulley, the second pulley. The role of the second pulley is nothing. Here this is the single fixed pulley arrangement. Just let me complete the something. Single fixed pulley, you may ask here me, sir, why two pulleys here? This much is okay. This is the single fixed pulley arrangement actually. This is the single fixed pulley arrangement here. But it is not convenient to apply the force upward direction against the gravity. That's why we are using another fixed pulley, single movable pulley place in place with the single fixed pulley, which is act like a just a direction changer of the force you apply. Am I clear? Actually this much, once again I am repeating, this much is the arrangement, but later it is not convenient to apply the force upward by anybody against the gravity. To make it change the direction of the pulley, we are using this type. Clear? Another pulley, fixed pulley. So it will not affect your mechanical advantage by its mechanical advantage. Maybe it will be affected because of the friction and other things, but not by, it will not change. So all the strings, this is a single string passed through. Yes or no? As it is a single string, all the strings will have the same tensional force. Yes or no? That is, let me take T, T, T. In the direction of the forces, all the strings segments will be upward, and this is effort. Effort is acting downward. Load also acting. Load is lifted by upward. Are you clear? Diagram, are you understood the diagram? This arrow heads, if you are not given a whole diagram, you will not get single mark, although whole diagram is correct. Are you getting my point? So let us discuss here once again. Load, total whole load is lifted by how many segments, how many string segments? Tell me. This whole load is lifted by these two strings. Yes or no? So I can say load is equal to 2T. Best example I'll give you. Suppose I'll send you two of your classmates and go and tell them bring a table from some other class or front class. So you'll go both sides, two people will hold from two ends. That means all the load, all the weight of the table is lifted by two persons or not? Yes or no? Maybe equally or unequal, that is different matter, how much you are giving effort, but lifted by two persons. So how much is the weight of the body means how much effort we are giving both, how much force we are applying to lift that. That is, can I say or not? So here total load is lifted by these two strings, and this is equal because this is a single string. So I can write a load is equal to 2T. Yes? But effort is equal to, nobody is responding, only T, single string. Here this side you are applying only tension, single string. Clear? Now MA is equal to, find out MA is equal to load by effort, that is 2T by T, that is 2 in bracket ideal case. Okay, ideal case. Now, are you clear? VR. So before going to VR, suppose now tell me, if 1 meter I'll drag this pulley this side, this rope this side, how much the load will go? Someone will be able to answer, please. You may tell if it is wrong, also not a problem. Yes, very good. Who is this answer? Very good. Because then 1 meter rope when I am dragging this side. Very good. You are correct. Okay. This 1 meter will adjust between two strings. These two segments. So half meter this one, half meter this one will go. Then 1 meter will go this whole. Okay. So I can say distance traveled by effort is equal to twice into distance traveled by the load. Yes or no? If I lift this one 1 meter, 1 meter this one, 1 meter this one will be free. Then total length 2 meter will come down. So that's why distance traveled by effort is equal to twice of the distance traveled by the load. Am I correct or not? Okay. Now find out VR. VR is equal to dE by dl. All of you know. D is equal to 2dl at this case. So by dl. dl cancel 2. Clear? That means efficiency is equal to MA by VR into 100. That is 2 by 2 into 100. That is 100%. So but ideal, if ideal case. Are you clear up to now? Okay, good. Now suppose this will be practical case. What will happen? Practical case what will happen? Practically it what happens? MA will not 2. I said as if MA will be less than 2. VR will not change. VR only same only 2. Because same only 1 meter lifted, that is a change of the length of the string only, that is not going to change. So efficiency will become MA by VR into 100, because MA is less than 2, that's what will become less than 100%. Understood? Practical case. Remember this statement once. VR not changes either in practical or theoretical, but only changes the mechanical advantage. Clear? So efficiency will be less than 100%. Reason number 1 is the friction between the pulley and the string. And clear? Friction between the pulley and the string. Copied? Wrote? If someone will respond, then I'll continue the next. Reason why. Second reason is that the friction between the movable parts, whatever movable parts are there, that movable parts there is a friction. That is the second reason. Okay. Third reason is same as in the first case I said, the means the friction, sorry, the string is not inextensible, not perfectly inextensible. Clear? Someone need to respond. And the last reason is that there is one more reason you will add up here. Before cases water, the pulley was fixed. That's why you are not giving any effort to lift the pulley. Yes, lift the pulley. But now pulley is in the hanging position. This pulley is in hanging position. Some amount of effort is used to lift this pulley also with the load. That's why we can write the reason is here. The pulley is not weightless. The pulley is not weightless. If the pulley would be weightless, then this effort would not be there. But as it is there, pulley never, there is no object which is weightless. Okay, clear? So once again I repeat 4 reasons here you will find. Number 1, the friction between the string and the pulley. Second reason is now someone is coming. Okay, second reason is the friction between the movable parts of the machine. Third reason, the string is not perfectly inelastic. Fourth reason is this is new one, then the single fixed pulley. So this is the pulley is not weightless. That's all of the single movable pulley.